Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Merry Christmas to you and your family. And our weather has been a little frightful. And if anyone out there had some travel to do, it's been rough and tumble. A look at our visible satellite shows a few things. We darken the earth and you can see the moving white, which is cloud cover out to the west that's been developing along a warm front. But the stationary white is the snow, the white Christmas, if you will. Very white near the Twin Cities, southern Minnesota, much of South Dakota. A little bit of snow across eastern North Dakota with our system. Well, kind of setting the mood for the season, but the cold, well, it's taken hold in a big way. We do have those clouds associated with the warm air. Take a look at our actual wind chills right now, between 15 and 25 degrees below zero for most. Things are a little warmer out to the west. Bismarck, 19 the temperature there right now, 6 in Sisseton, and it is 11 below in Badette. So the coldest air from Lakes Country all the way into central portions of Minnesota as we head into the evening hours. But there's some nice warm air just off to the west where temperatures in Montana and in Rapid City were just near 50 degrees. 50 degrees on this Christmas Eve. For us, we're nowhere near that, but temperatures have been falling slowly here into the early overnight hours, and that's what's going to continue with these clear skies and decreasing wind and the fresh snow on the ground. It's 4 below at Hector right now, 2 below in the Moorheads Airport. Now, as we not in the Moorheads Airport, I suppose inside it's a little warmer than that. As we take a look at your forecast for this evening, notice that our temperatures will continue to fall till around 10 o'clock out to the east, but there will already be a warm-up going on out to the west. Those clouds we saw on the satellite moving over the valley by 10 o'clock tonight, and that is a sign of warmer weather. Now, these clouds could kick off a few flurries, but nothing of significance. And as we go through the overnight hours, this warm air just keeps progressing its way farther to the east. The black line here, the sub-zero line, and notice most of us rising as we stop this in the middle of the night at about 2:10 a.m. We see that what the reindeer, Rudolph, and the gang will be contending with will be milder temperatures. And I'm sure Rudolph's nose will appreciate that as they make their way through the valley. Now, by morning, temperatures will be 5 to 10 degrees for many in the valley and west. It'll still be cool, but warming in central Minnesota, and that trend continues right through our day. As we notice here, the white line, that's the freezing line. Above freezing temperatures for some of our western counties in the afternoon, and temperatures well into the 20s for many across Minnesota. All in all, looks like a nice day, a milder day, a lot less wind than we've had the last couple of days, and tomorrow night, not so cold. So, let's take a closer look inside Hutch's snow globe. The forecast for Fargo tomorrow, 30 degrees in the afternoon, sunny, not snowy. Remember, it's a snow globe, right? They're supposed to do that when you shake them up. Planning forecast. Here's how we get to that 30. We start out near 10 in the morning, rising rapidly with sunshine and a west breeze helping to keep us on the mild side as opposed to the wild side. Building clouds will limit just how fast we cool tomorrow night. A few more clouds across northern Minnesota will limit your temperatures in the afternoon. A snapshot showing low to mid 20s for most of western Minnesota with a good shot at low to mid 30s across eastern North Dakota. Here's that warm chunk of air that's worked its way in. The black line right here, that's the sub-zero line north of it. It moves right back into town as we close out the weekend and head into next week. More on that in a second. Right now, let's enjoy Scott's gorgeous moondog photo. It's that time of the year. Anytime light interacts with ice crystals in the upper atmosphere, we can get those sun or moon dogs. There's your Christmas Day forecast. Nice and warm. Mild Saturday. Wild on Sunday. With falling temperatures through the afternoon, will be sub-zero again in the morning on Monday. Then when we warm up a bit, we're watching a significant storm moving out of the Rocky Mountains, Katie, and into the Great Lakes. Could clip a few of our counties with some unsettled weather, but most of us will get the wind and the cold from the system. We'll keep you apprised as to all of that.
Well, I'm definitely looking forward to that beautiful Christmas, but we do have a lot to keep our eye on for the week ahead.
We sure do, and we'll do that.
Well, thank you so much, Hud.